Loaded fries, dripping with smoky chipotle mayo. This is the game day food you've been missing. Today we're making a sauce that's savory, smoky, and packed with flavor, chipotle mayo. Start with garlic. Chop the top. A little oil, wrap it in foil. Roast it till it's soft and sweet. Put it in your oven at 400 for about 35 minutes. Let your garlic sit about 10 minutes to cool. Squeeze out the roasted garlic. Mash it in with the chipotles and a spoon of that adobo. Chipotle peppers and adobo are just smoked, dried jalapeños packed in a rich, smoky sauce. Where fresh jalapeños bring a sharp heat, chipotles add depth, savory, smoky, and a little tang. That's the backbone of this mayo. Add in your diced chipotles and a spoon of that adobo sauce. Now throw in your maple syrup, Dijon mustard, lime. You got cumin, paprika, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. The mayo goes in last. Lime can mess with the texture if you add it too soon. This way it blends smooth and stays creamy. All right, chop this up in your food processor or your hand blender until it's smooth and creamy. Give that a taste. If you want a more bite, hit it with a little extra lime. A little sweeter, add a little bit more maple. All right, our sauce is done, so let's use it right. Loaded Gameday Fries. Start with fries. I'm going with potato wedges today. Quick trick. Soak your cut potatoes in water for about 20 minutes. It pulls out the starch so they crisp up better. Just make sure to dry them off with a paper towel before cooking. Toss them in oil, hit them with salt, pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika. And spread them out on your pan and hit them with a little bit more of that seasoning. These go in the oven at 425, 15 minutes on each side. All right, let's fry up 5 pieces of diced bacon. Half of 1 yellow onion. And 1 jalapeno. I'm going to hit these with just a touch of pepper. Our topping is caramelized nicely. We don't want this crispy, so turn off your heat. All right, spread your potatoes out and let's cover them with cheese. I'm using 1.5 cups of American cheese, freshly grated, and 1 cup of mozzarella. All right, top that with our bacon, onion, and jalapenos. Hey, remember, this is game day, not diet day. Let's add our cream and our sauce. We're going in with some fresh Mexican crema. Top it with the chipotle mayo. Top that off with some diced green onion. All right, pop that back in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. Our loaded fries are done. It's time to give these a taste. Now try this dipped in the Chipotle mayo. This Chipotle mayo sauce can go on anything. Put it on your wings, put it on your burgers. You can dip your veggies in it if that's your thing. Well, that's it. Crispy fries, melted cheese, and a sauce on top that makes it all work. That's how you win game day. That's it for this episode of the Secret Weapon Sauces series, Chipotle Mayo, and the loaded fries that it was made for. Hit that like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you want to see me drizzle this on next. As always, keep it bold, keep it spicy, and until next time, adios. Mm.